Coinbase's two-factor authentication, or 2FA, provides an essential security layer by requiring two forms of verification beyond just your password. However, users commonly encounter issues such as login code failures, difficulties when setting up on new phones, and glitches with Authenticator apps. In response to increasing cyber threats, Coinbase has enhanced its 2FA options, including support for WebAuthn, which enables passwordless authentication using biometrics or hardware keys. This video will guide you through troubleshooting these issues and implementing prevention measures. Two-factor authentication combines your password with something you have, like a phone. Failures occur due to synchronization errors, such as incorrect device time in Authenticator apps. Account recovery issues happen when codes are lost and backups aren't available. Platform limitations include carrier problems that delay SMS delivery. Proactive setup is crucial. Enable 2FA immediately and store recovery codes securely. If SMS codes don't arrive for your Coinbase 2FA, switch to app-based authentication. Switch to reliable app-based 2FA options like Google Authenticator or Authy. To sync your Authenticator app, scan the QR code in Coinbase's Security tab. If problems persist, contact Coinbase support for manual verification. Note that outages can temporarily spike complaints about login codes. When setting up 2FA on a new phone, first back up your recovery codes from Coinbase. These are essential backup if your main 2FA method fails. Store them securely in an encrypted file or physical safe. Next, export your Authenticator app data. Apps like Authy or Google Authenticator allow you to back up and transfer your 2FA secrets to a new phone through their cloud or export features. If available, use Coinbase's built-in migration tools introduced in 2025. These allow direct transfer of your 2FA setup from old to new device through the Coinbase app or website security settings. Finally, reinstall your Authenticator app on the new phone. Go to Coinbase's security settings, generate a new QR code, and scan it with the app to restore full 2FA functionality. To reset or disable two-factor authentication on Coinbase, start by accessing your account settings through the website or app. Look for the Security section where you can manage your 2FA options. This process requires identity verification for security. You'll need to upload a photo of your government-issued ID or answer security questions to confirm your account ownership. Only use this reset option if you're completely locked out and can't access your 2FA codes. It's a last resort that temporarily removes your account protection. Once reset is complete, immediately re-enable two-factor authentication using a secure method like an Authenticator app instead of SMS. Scan the QR code provided and save your backup codes securely. To prevent 2FA issues, enable two-factor authentication immediately after creating your Coinbase account. This establishes strong security from the start and reduces the risk of account compromise. Securely store your recovery codes in an encrypted file or password manager. This ensures you can regain access if your primary 2FA method fails without compromising security through insecure storage. Implement multiple 2FA methods for redundancy. Using a combination of Authenticator apps, SMS, and hardware keys ensures you have backup verification options in case of technical issues or device loss. Consider hardware security keys for maximum protection. Devices like YubiKey provide phishing-resistant authentication and don't rely on network connectivity, making them ideal for high-security needs. Keep your Authenticator apps updated to prevent bugs and security vulnerabilities. Regular updates from developers ensure reliable code generation and compatibility with Coinbase's systems. The industry is moving away from SMS-based 2FA due to vulnerabilities. Coinbase plans to fully integrate WebAuthn for biometric 2FA by 2026. Expect passwordless authentication to become more common, potentially using blockchain for self-sovereign 2FA. Security experts recommend hardware keys over apps or SMS for better security. Coinbase reports 85% of accounts use 2FA. 2FA failures account for 10% of login issues, often due to user error. Always check Coinbase's official help center for the latest updates and avoid unofficial advice.